Welcome everyone. Today, we dive into Nginx and Ansible. Nginx, the powerhouse server, ensures smooth traffic flow, while Ansible handles automation so you can sip coffee instead of typing commands. Combining them, a match made in tech heaven. With Ansible, managing Nginx becomes effortless, just like magic, but with fewer capes and more YAML files. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Before we dive into installation, let's ensure we have our toolkit ready. Think of it as packing for a road trip, except instead of snacks, you need a Linux machine, Ansible, and SSH access. And if YAML files make you nervous, don't worry, no coding acrobatics required. Setting up Ansible's control node is like getting a captain ready for the ship. First, we install Ansible Easy Right. Then we configure SSH keys, ensuring smooth communication. No one likes typing passwords 100 times, so let's skip that hassle. Now, let's create an inventory file, the VIP guest list for Ansible's automation party. We add our servers, group them neatly, and ensure Ansible knows who to talk to. Because let's face it, nobody wants a server saying, "Who are you again?" Writing an Ansible Playbook. Think of it as crafting a recipe. We list tasks, define hosts, and make sure our steps are repeatable. Ansible's idempotency ensures no accidental double salt moments in our configuration. Now time to install Nginx. Ansible does the heavy lifting. No need to run manual commands. Just sit back, deploy, and watch Nginx spring to life, like a well-trained chef preparing a masterpiece. Starting and enabling Nginx is like turning on cruise control. Set it once and let it run. Ansible ensures Nginx wakes up every time your server does, so no surprises when visitors come knocking. Finally, let's configure Nginx for static websites. We tweak config files, define document routes, and ensure everything runs smoothly. No messy setups here, just a clean, functional website waiting to go live. Nginx configuration might seem intimidating, but it's all about structure. We have Nginx Conf running the show, while sites available and sites enabled help manage virtual hosts. Using directives wisely keeps things optimized, kind of like giving traffic signals to web requests. Breaking configurations into smaller files. Super useful. And don't forget to check syntax before a restart. Nothing ruins your day like a misconfigured web server refusing to start. Alright, let's make sure Nginx is actually alive and kicking. A simple Nginx v tells us what version we have, and systemtal status Nginx shows whether it's running smoothly or in panic mode. Accessing localhost confirms the basics, but logs are your best friends. Always check /var/log/nginx/ when things look fishy. And for those who love pushing boundaries, stress testing with Apache Bench ensures Nginx can handle rush hour traffic. Automation is the superhero of deployment. Why install manually when Ansible can do it in seconds? Playbooks keep things structured and repeatable, ensuring every deployment is consistent, no surprises. Variables let us tweak configurations for different environments without rewriting everything. And idempotency, that means running a playbook multiple times doesn't break anything, like pressing a light switch over and over without frying the circuits. Troubleshooting Nginx. Don't panic. First, check syntax with Nginx. It's a lifesaver for spotting typos. If connections mysteriously fail, firewalls might be blocking traffic. Always confirm those rules. Logs in /var/log/nginx/ hold all the juicy details. Think of them as the crime scene investigation of web server issues. And permissions. Sometimes, a simple who owns what check prevents hours of head scratching. Ansible is fantastic, but structure matters. Modular playbooks save time. Why rewrite the same setup when you can reuse? Roles are like neatly packed lunchboxes. Everything stays organized. Error handling ensures deployments don't crash at the first sign of trouble. And updating scripts. It's like keeping software patched. Improvements make automations smoother and prevent outdated quirks from haunting us. That's a wrap. By following best practices, managing Nginx becomes effortless. Automation takes things further. Why do manual work when Ansible can do it for you? Keep an eye on configurations, tweak them for performance, and never stop learning. The Nginx and Ansible communities have tons of gems. Stay curious, and your deployments will always be a step ahead. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.